Mileage correction. This video show how to use ACDP for VW MQB system 3426 plus 9512H model instrument mileage correction. Turn on the power switch on the car and light up the instrument panel. Record the original mileage and then remove the instrument panel. Power on the ACDP. Open ACDP app. Confirm in the upper right corner that the ACDP device has been bound. Click VW. Click VW MQB IMMO. Click MQB48 D70F3426 plus 951285A. Click ICP Auto. Click D70F3426 plus 95128. Select the corresponding interface board based on the type of dashboard. Taking interface board D70F3426A as an example. Click Help. Connect the instrument to ACDP according to the help document. Click D70F3426A interface board. Click Auto Mode. Click OK. Click OK. Click Continue. Verify chip information. Click Continue. Decrypting chip, please wait. Data is being read, please wait. Click OK, save the CPU data. Pay attention to the path to save the file, and the file name includes the date and time. Click OK. Reading EEPROM, please wait. Click OK, save the EEPROM data. Pay attention to the path to save the file, and the file name includes the date and time. Click OK. Verify instrument information, click Continue. Click on the mileage to modify the target mileage. Click OK. Click OK to save the modified mileage CPU data. Click OK. Click OK, save the EEPROM data after the mileage has been modified. Click OK. Click OK. Writing EEPROM, please wait. Writing P-flash, please wait. Mileage calibration completed. Click OK. Click OK. Install the instrument panel into the car. Turn on the instrument panel. Check if the mileage displayed on the instrument panel is normal. Thank you for watching.